We know you've got ideas that can change the future of space. We want to see them fly.
We're not kidding. We want to see you in orbit.
Welcome to the Bosuns Locker Challenge, where you can put something real into orbit.
The Bosuns Locker is a space-qualified payload containment device that can either be launched from the ground or it can even be configured in orbit.
So basically, it's a cosmic safe for your experiment?
Exactly. It protects your tech from space debris and interns.
It even allows for modification in flight.
It also connects directly to the Arkisys port, our in-space platform that can host up to at least 60 payloads at once.
The Locker family actually comes in 3 sizes: small, standard, and max. But for this challenge, you'll be focusing on the max size, 16 by 16 by 34 inches.
For this challenge, you'll design a payload that shows what you can build or test in orbit. Real operation that could change the future of space.
Imagine 3D printing critical components right in space, helping you repair or create parts without waiting for resupply missions.
Or use in-orbit assembly operations to print and build large-scale structures for space infrastructure, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space construction.
We've been experimenting with all types of payloads.
Picture setting up a semiconductor manufacturing plant in space, creating high-precision chips without the interference of gravity.
You could generate seed crystals to advance pharmaceutical research, enabling the development of new medications.
You could even explore biological experiments like cell growth or new ways to grow food in microgravity.
The opportunities are endless, but the Locker isn't. Your project must fit within these specs.
We're excited to see what you create. The winning team will have the opportunity to test their design at the Arkisys facility in Los Angeles. Good luck!